G'day everyone and welcome back to another episode of YJ Garage. This is episode 1 of my MX-5 rebuild. Got Supertech forged pistons, Manly forged connecting rods, ARP head studs, Cometic head gasket and lots of other parts to go into the MX-5. Before I get started, I'll just mention that the engine builder did tell me on every gasket that I put in that meets with hot oil for the first startup, I should put something in there to give it a bit of protection and help it seal properly. So you'll be seeing me apply Vaseline to all those gaskets. So we've got the engine back from the engine builder. Just need to put it on the engine stand so I can start putting it back together. As you can see, the garage is an absolute mess. It's a really hot day. And I struggle a little bit to get the engine onto the engine block, but only one injury, which is pretty good. I tried to remove the rear main seal while it was off the car, however it was too hard to take it out. I ended up putting it back on the car to take it off there. Make sure you try to hammer in the new seal on a flat, solid surface. It needs to sit flush and then an additional 0.5 of a millimeter inwards from the edge of the seal. Apply RTV gasket around the grooves and the bolt holes. Time to install the oil pump. I have a Boundary Engineering oil pump. It is a stage 1, which is the standard version, basically an OEM Plus replacement. I decided to throw this back in instead of using my old one, which had done over 200,000 kilometers. Don't forget the gasket. Don't forget that the oil pump has to line up with those grooves on the crank. Just going to take the old bolts from the old oil pump. I should have done this earlier, but I still haven't cleaned the oil sump. Had a bit of concern with all these crack marks, but that's just regular casting. I did check online with a couple of people to confirm that it was casting marks. Just applying a bit of blue Loctite on these bolts because the torque isn't very high and I don't want to go back in to fix them up. Don't forget your oil pickup gasket, blue Loctite on the bolts and also on the nut because the torque values are pretty low. You need to drop the ARP washers into the head before putting the cylinder head onto the block. I grabbed this handy tip from another video to use a screwdriver to set them down there. Here, just double check that all the washers are through the studs. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. If you are new, like and subscribe. Peace out.